Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the audio quality on Spotify using your computer. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed into your account. Now, open the Spotify menu and go to Settings. Once the Settings page is open, scroll down until you find the Audio Quality section. Here, you can manage the audio quality that Spotify uses when playing your music. First, look for the Streaming Quality option. Click the drop-down menu to view the available quality options. Choose the quality level that works best for you. A higher quality can provide better audio, but it may use more internet data. A lower quality can use less data and may be useful when you have a slower internet connection. Depending on your Spotify version and account, you may also see options for download quality. This setting controls the quality of music that you download for offline listening. You may also see an option for automatic quality adjustment. This can allow Spotify to adjust the quality based on your internet connection. After selecting your preferred option, Spotify generally saves the change automatically. You can now continue listening to music with your new audio quality setting. Keep in mind that the available quality options can vary depending on your Spotify plan and device. So, if you want better sound quality, choose a higher available quality. If you want to reduce data usage, choose a lower quality, and that's how you can change Spotify audio quality in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Spotify tutorials.